Hey, what's going on? Eric Cortina here, Texas Barndominiums. I'm going to give you a quick little story about something that happened to me this week. So, you guys, I told you I was going to start sharing a lot more about me and my team and everybody else. So, something happened this week. So, a couple days ago, I get an email from a kid that's about to graduate high school. He was asking about a scholarship program that we may have in our company. So we don't have a scholarship program, okay? Now that's something that we've discussed, but anyway, that'll happen eventually. I'd like to do that. But as of right now, we don't have one, okay? So I'm gonna read the email that this kid sent me and why I paid him $10,000 an hour for that email. So let me tell you how that happened, okay? So he sends me this email, and I'm not going to give you his name, but it says, I'm just going to give you his first name. Hello, my name is Albert. I will be graduating from Somerset High School this June. I was inquiring about any scholarships your company may offer, and if you could please send me some information. Thank you. This is what I replied to him. I said, Albert, thank you for contacting us about a scholarship program. Where do you plan to go to school, and what will you major in? He says, I plan on going to Texas A&M, San Antonio, or UTSA. I was accepted to both. My major is sports psychology and minor in kinesiology. So this is what I answered to him. Unfortunately, we do not have a scholarship program, but I do like the fact that you are doing what you can to pave your own way and not go into debt. Again, as you guys start to know my story, you're gonna start realizing that I hate debt. But anyway, as a successful business owner, I can tell you one thing: stay away from debt. Debt will slow you down. Debt is like sugar. It makes you feel good, but it's bad for you, and one day you will wake up and be overweight and with medical issues because of it. Debt is no different. This is when I decided this kid is doing what he can, right? He's a go-getter. I like that. He's fighting, right? So I told him, do you have a PayPal account? I'd like to send you some money because you reached out to me. I like go-getters, okay? I told him that. He said, thank you, Mr. Cortina. I do appreciate it. I can send you my acceptance letters as well so you can have the information. I agree with you about debt. My parents are not wanting me to go into debt and have explained the harsh repercussions of it. I greatly appreciate your generosity and will send you that information later this evening. Thank you. Now, this kid, right, his parents are doing what they can. And, to help this kid, they're doing a good job, right? They're parenting. They're telling him, hey, don't go into debt. It's going to hurt you. And, that's not everybody's story, right? I'm sure a lot of you are going to disagree with me right now. But again, from my perspective, my story is debt is no good. Debt slowed me way down at the beginning. If I knew what I know now back then, I believe I would have had a way easier time, but I had to learn the hard way. So I'm telling this kid, good job. Just reach out to everybody, get some scholarships, go through school, do not go into debt. His parents are telling him the same thing. So now that I say it, because you know how it is. Your parents tell you something, you're not going to listen to them as much. He reached out to me. I told him. Now he's kind of starting to put two and two together. It's like, you know what? That may be a bad thing. So here's what happened, right? Then he went ahead and sent me his PayPal information. And, I did the math. It's like, how much time did it take him? It didn't take him much time at all, right? Those emails are short. These kids can type fast. So what I decided to do, I don't know, how much can I give this kid, right? How much can I help him with, right? So I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep it simple, right? I said, you know what? $10,000 an hour, right? I broke it down. That's $166 a minute. I figured this kid probably spent a minute and a half writing these emails to me. So I sent him $250. That's what I sent him, Is that too much, too little? I don't think it matters at this point. I think what matters to him is the fact that he did something and he got a result. Result is what matters, right? I imagine this kid probably sent dozens, hundreds. I don't know how many emails he sent. Most people are going to ignore him, right? We don't even have a scholarship program, and I'm going to help the kid. I think the fact that I'm helping him is going to give him a sense of that whatever he's doing is working, right? And that he should just keep going, keep trying, and you know, just, you know, it takes a lot of no's before you get a yes. And I just want to be one of those yeses. All I'm saying is I love go-getters. You're gonna learn from me. Again, now that you're gonna start getting to know me a little better, I hate people that just stick their hand out and expect something, right? I've worked my way to where I'm at right now, and I expect everybody else to do the same. And if I see that you're working, that you're trying, I'm gonna help you. But if I see that you're just out there just coasting through life because you're expecting somebody else to take care of you, trust me, I'm gonna be the first one to say no to you. So anyway, that's all I got for today. You know, I wish this kid the best, and I hope this serves as a lesson that what he's doing, or not a lesson, but maybe a reminder, an encouragement that what he's doing is the right thing. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one. We are Texas Barndominiums.